In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com effectively. This journey will be informative as we explore how to edit, duplicate, and create new sites using Wix. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to go to wix.com and log into your account. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your online presence. But today, our focus is on editing your site. Once you're logged in, a world of customization is at your fingertips. After you've logged in, look for the option that says Edit Site. This will redirect you to the Wix editor where you can make changes to your website's design and content. The editor is intuitive and packed with features that empower you to tweak everything to match your vision. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to locate and click on the Site button. This is a gateway to a variety of options that affect your entire site. It's good to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools available here, as they play a vital role in setting your website's core attributes and functionalities. Next, it's time to use the Duplicate Site feature. This step is optional, but highly recommended if you want a backup of your current site before making extensive changes. Duplicating your site provides a safety net, ensuring that if anything goes awry during your edits, you can always revert back to a previous version with ease. After selecting the duplicate option, simply click on Duplicate to create your backup version. This process is hassle-free and provides peace of mind knowing that your original design is safe and untouched while you experiment with new ideas. Once duplication is completed, you might want to highlight specific sections of your site. By clicking on Highlight, you can easily emphasize important parts of your website, drawing visitors' attention to key areas. This function works excellently for call to action areas or any unique offers you want to promote on your page. Finally, if you feel ready to embark on a brand new journey or simply want to test new design concepts, click on Create New Site. This exciting stage opens the door to endless possibilities. Here, you can choose a new template that aligns with your brand style and start from scratch, building a site that's completely tailored to your needs. And that's it. You've successfully navigated manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to edit, duplicate, and create new sites. Each of these tasks enhances your ability to manage and customize your website precisely as you need it. Remember, website design is a creative process, so don't be afraid to experiment and see where your creativity takes you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your web building endeavors.